Okay.
Okay, it's another one that I ordered in my earlier video. I've got the Antara 2 Gore-Tex for women's, and now I've got this Mimosa Lena MG leather. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so comfy. Here it is. Oopsie. Oh, okay. So this one is a Velcro strap. Okay. I have a narrow foot, and normally Merrell is a perfect shoes for me. This one you can adjust with the Velcro, suede, and this one. It has also quite a good grip from the feel of it. So comfy, and the fit is really has a good fit. Okay, as I have said earlier, my fit is quite narrow, but this one I got like enough space for my toes to move around there, and I would say really it's a perfect shoes for my feet. There you go.